I am all packed and I am ready to go. This will be the first time in a very, very long time going off-roading or overlanding. I have been out of commission ever since September 12th. Yes, it will be my very first day back out in the woods, off-roading, camping with the guys this weekend. All right, guys, we made it to camp. It's getting colder and colder by the minute, but here we are. We are setting up our campfire right now, getting ready to make some dinner and then rest up a little bit. And tomorrow we'll be out to another location. But yeah, we made it to camp, and it is kind of late now. It's probably around 9:30, I think. But it is getting cold, I can tell you that. You know, Max is starting the fire right now as we speak. And here we are, 4 rigs tonight.
You might have to be like up here the whole time.
Yeah. We'll set up. I think the puta.
Yeah, they're wet.
Yeah, again, but you can't get a good base.
Yeah.
Once the top one starts burning though, yeah,
We're good, dude.
And then I'm gonna wait for people to get their tax money and then post them what I bought it for.
There you go, the fire.
We need to throw some more log on there. You know, that heat at all.
Yeah,
It's too narrow. We need
fire
to
looks
make it
hot,
wider,
but
man.
it's definitely not hot.
Yeah,
No, we gotta just wait for some coals, I think, and then we can throw it.
It's gonna be fine. Does it feel like the nollie, or does it feel a little stretched out?
No.
Nollie
the
was way
nollie
more
was
stretch.
a little bit more stretched than his.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we're having our dinner. It's cold, but Max is cooking us some pizza right here. Oh, damn.
Oh,
yeah. Look at that. Oh, heck yeah.
All right, now
This is what we're talking about.
The tricky
Yeah.
part is how do we get to it? Dude, that's like a deep dish. It's Chicago deep dish.
Lieutenant.
Damn, that looks good.
Sure does.
Yeah.
This is a Georgia deep dish.
This is the
Spring roast deep dish.
Frank Gross.
Outback deep dish.
Oh, heck yeah. Cá kìa bà, chuẩn gọn lại chứ bây giờ.
Yeah, nothing left. I'm going to go out.
Yeah, it's good. No, there, pizza cut here. Ooh. So we had your pizza earlier, and then now you're making intestine, right?
I'm making it.
Oh, that looks so good. Oh, that looks so good, dude. This is it right here, man.
Yeah, I step back a little bit. Ooh,
Your body just absorbs all the cold.
Yeah, Max is making us the intestine tonight. And the pizza was so good already, but this is going to be the one that top everything right here tonight.
See, it'll throw all every glen. Literally, should be ready.
Oh, that was so good, bro. Intestine. Oh, heck yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty much deep fried intestine.
That's good right there.
Yeah.
That's super good right there. You got all the grease.
Hey, you still got your top buck out?
Yeah, I think it can last another 10 more minutes.
5 more minutes, right?
5 more minutes now?
Yeah, I think so.
You know all this stuff is, right?
Yeah. Got to dry kia, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, leave it to dry first.
I mean, it does look pretty good though.
Yeah.
Damn, we cook some pizza under there. What?
Fire over
So
here.
put the joy go, eh? Watch that motherfucker. Put the joy go. Watch some more, no church on there.
Look, when you talk, I can't.
No church, no, có tiền. Nó sẽ bùi cho. Thì nói cho what's me.
Oh, sure, I gotta play that song, dude.
cho thời chơi mùa lo ở sát tây nương yo u lu chè nương co lina yo what is me chỉ mơ đã chi ta ship thành yo chỉ bao đã chi ta ship thành co chỉ xa đã chi ta ship xa cho đi chơi chùa nhỏ qua sầu du trăng trăng lạnh mùa là disco lạnh mùa là disco có jelly lo disco jelly lo disco okay lạnh mùa là disco lạnh mùa là disco có jelly lo disco jelly lo
Good morning, everyone. It is 7:40 a.m. I am up. The guys are still asleep. It is nice up here. No rain, no snow. It's a bit cold, but not that bad. Last night was cool. Last night we went to bed late, but it wasn't that cold. It wasn't freezing cold. But it was nice. Oh man, it feels so good to be out here. It's been so long. We needed this.
So, I guess some of the egg is not fully cooked yet.
Oh, eggs.
Mm-hmm.
They're not chai, eh?
Nowadays with the kids, I'm not running egg.
Yeah.
Tastes better.
They're not chai.
So spoiled.
They're not chai. They're bamboo, eh? Oh, that looks good.
For you or for me?
You.
Damn.
What you got?
I know.
What you got?
I know. I'm like shit.
You guys want breakfast? Cook breakfast.
That's a lot
This
of.
is a good way of cooking breakfast.
Yeah. All right, we just finished eating and we are getting ready to head out to our next stop, next campsite. Down tree. We gotta go cut the tree.
I got a bottle.
I'm good for now. We got a down tree right here, so gonna go cut it off. Cut it out. Throw it out. Oh, this is huge. Oh, wow. That means that nobody's been out here for a while, huh?
That's why I'm kind of tempted and leaving it alone.
It's okay.
You can go this side.
Yeah, right? Just climb it.
Yeah, just climb it here. And we all got high climb bumper.
Yeah, we do.
So we can.
Until somebody say, winch me out.
Take it.
Wow. Look at this guy right here.
Okay.
Yeah, you.
Okay.
Bố mình dê. Ồ, dê chạy đó, nó chỉ dê chạy à. Do mà à. Dê chạy đó à.
In the woods?
Yeah.
This is the turkey.
Oh, is it turkey mushroom?
I learned it from Guazi.
Oh, it is turkey. Yeah.
Chicken and
Yeah.
Turkey tail.
Turkey tail.
I thought they wanted to leave some for the that guy.
I better get 5,000 followers for this. This is extreme right here. Ain't gonna work, dude. It bumps like crazy, man. Look at that. Whoa! There you go. Oh wow. Whoa! More shot, huh?
Definitely a red oak.
Yeah, it is red oak. Oh! Thật tệ.
Xỉ hả?
Thật tệ. Mua xe đồ cả chưa cả tía. Oh! Got the big boy. Tụi con chở tụi em ta nữa.
Need a couple more.
Freeze yourself.
Đó. Look at this guy.
And there's also this more surface crack.
Oh. I think my shoulder is gonna come out.
Hey,
You can do it.
tu
Need a couple more.
tu share, của máu sư của bác này.
And there's also so
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, it's a little bit longer.
it's
Yeah.
a longer surface to crack. Oh, no, that,
Ủa rồi con bọc cu ra.
Oh, there you go, right there.
Oh, there you go. Có thể nó xuống rồi luôn. Nó xuống tây sao? Đây bắt nó ra.
eat it, die.
Yên đây.
Take that.
Whoa, there you go. That's my 5,000 follower right there. She had to lose it to make a yank hank.
Reach it, any gloves?
No, I got some over there. I think we're gonna move it to
Side.
the side
And let totally
and
come
then
through.
totally
We all come through.
Yeah, we all come through. We'll pick it up and put it in the truck. Cameraman chứ. Nè,
Để check up like call there thôi.
nè chỉ thay tổ công ca thế, lấy thế để cũng thể chỉ tung kinh nữa.
Nhà tôi tay của thay có trong áo tay thôi.
Trái plek chỉ để tôi cho cũng tại ER. Hall of Fame right there.
But you made that shit. We should never throw it away.
That's a good one. We need the one with the sap on it. 那边找到天的鸡晒，或鸡肉。
We don't have to find wood today.
Oh, yep. We're good. This is why I find it so hard to get rid of my truck. It's the whole tower. Look at that, man. All right, we helped clear the track, and we got firewoods. So we're gonna go straight to the swing bridge, and then we'll go to the campsite later on. But at least we have firewood, so that's a great thing. All right, we're climbing up.
Holy shit, man! They fucking cleared this up.
Last time it didn't even fit my truck. Now it's like super clear, super wide.
We have oak trees up here too. It was definitely not like this. It's so open now. It used to be pinstripe heaven, man.
Super steep. We go uphill right now.
You're gonna get your mouth. If ever in doubt, though, get out and check. Guess how I know. Dude, if you wanted me and Wazzy to bike down here, you crazy, dude. No, it's not this one. We would have biked down the other way. Where that toilet paper was, whatever. This is where I had to do my first self-recovering down here, the swinging bridge. So who did you recover? Oh, it's a self-recovery. Sit in the hole that Max sat in. It wasn't a big hole, it was just the exit departure angle. It was just like steep, it just caught it. You want us to record you coming down? You're gonna go off camber here, just so you know. Too wide, Fuji. That's no fun.
Get out of here, though.
Yeah.
There's too many deadfalls, man.
The worst part about this is that whoever chopped this tree down, they use the other half for firewood, and then they left this big old section here. I think they're
You guys camp right here?
right here, yeah. And I think they're hoping that somebody who comes out camp
Your man friend that you have.
over here.
Just right there?
Yeah, we're like right here only.
Oh,
Yeah, I park right there, and they're right where Santana is. Yeah. All right, time to boat. Let's get out of here.